Hi, I'm Sandra Smith, Product Manager for Wexar BEL, powered by ProMach. Today we're looking at our 505G3 semi-automatic case former. The 505 series of machines is set up to allow an operator to quickly open a case from flat, push it down into the machine, and the case is formed at the bottom for easy two-hand loading. There are no dead plates. The machine you're actually packing into your own case, which makes it very easier for the operator to transfer off into the case sealer. In order for the machine to fire, what's happening is the box itself is making the two bottom switches while the body of the box is making the body switch. So these three safety switches are what causes the machine to fire. And as you can see, I was talking about you're forming directly into your own case and supporting the product. It's very easy for the operator to transfer the product once it's loaded. The 505G3 requires two size change adjustments, a width adjustment and a length adjustment. The width adjustment crank is available for either side of the machine depending on which side you have the operator on. The length is internal to the machine. The second adjustment point would be the length adjustment, which is right here in the machine. It allows the operator to simply move this skimp handle and locate the length of the case with the reader switch on the scale. The G3 is our third generation of 505. It has an open frame design, so it's designed to have a smaller overall footprint. One of the things it also allows is it allows the operator to work on all three sides of the machine. So we can load from this side as well as from the rear of the machine, if that's the best for the application, as well as this side of the machine. The BEL 505G3 is a modular system. In this case, the former is teamed up with our semi-automatic BEL 150 sealer. It can be teamed up with our fully automatic line, either the 250, 252, or the BEL 270 for a hot melt application. With the BEL 505, one of the options you might consider is the caster option that allows you to have a mobile system and roll it around quite easily. One thing I always recommend is our box stand. It allows you to place the box supply wherever the operator needs to minimize motion, so it's easy for them to access and form up the cases.